Let's try and understand the first example of chromosomal disorder, that is Down syndrome. It is a genetic disorder and we know it is caused due to the additional copy of chromosome. In normal human body, total number of chromosomes are 46. If we add one extra, it will become 47. That's what is happening in Down syndrome. Let's try to understand. Out of total 46 chromosomes, क्रोमोसोम नंबर 21 जहाँ पे एक क्रोमोसोम की पैर है, वहाँ पे वी आर एडिंग वन मोर एक्स्ट्रा क्रोमोसोम, सो इट विल बिकम 3 chromosomes at 21 place. Basically we call it as a 21 trisomy. I'm repeating again. टोटल 46 क्रोमोसोम जो हमारी बॉडी में है, उसमें से 21 नंबर का जो क्रोमोसोम है वहाँ पे हम एक और ऐड कर रहे हैं. सो टोटल क्रोमोसोम्स कितने होंगे? 47. दिस डिसऑर्डर डिस्क्राइब बाय लैंगडॉन डाउन. इसी साइंटिस्ट के नाम की वजह से इसका नाम जो है दैट इज़ डाउन सिंड्रोम, राइट, इन द ईयर 1866. द पर्सन विद द डाउन सिंड्रोम will have following symptoms. Number 1, small and round head. Number 2, naturally short height. Number 3, open mouth और उनकी जो टंग होती है थोड़ी बड़ी but little wrinkle. Number 4, this person will have a broad palm with more creases in their palm. And number 5, retarded development. We call it as a poor development, poor physical development, poor mental development, poor psychomotor development. Basically, psychomotor development is related to our behavioral development, which will be poor in the case of Down syndrome. Second example of genetic disorder or chromosomal disorder is the Klinefelter syndrome. Of course, it is a genetic disorder, as I told you. What happens in this case? There will be an additional copy of X chromosome. Remember, specifically X chromosome की एक additional copy person के पास होगी, जिससे total number of chromosome in the case of Klinefelter's syndrome will be 47. ज़्यादातर ये मेल में पाया जाता है and you can see this condition will occur here. One extra chromosome with the X and Y, so condition is XXY. The affected individual will have following symptoms. Number 1, overall if you look at to this individual, there will be masculine development, look like male. However, that individual will have more feminine characters, female like characters, right? For example, development of the breasts, and this development of the breasts into the male is called gynecomastia. Gynecomastia, and we find this condition into the male. और ऐसे जो individuals होते हैं, the individuals with the Klinefelter syndrome, they're all sterile individuals, right? Looking at the last example, that is Turner syndrome. And Turner syndrome caused due to the absence of one X chromosome. Now in the normal human body 46 है. If you remove one X chromosome, total chromosome कितने हो जाएंगे? 45. Let's try to understand what will be the condition. We usually find females having a Turner syndrome. So only one X chromosome. They have lost another X chromosome. This will be the condition, XO. Here the affected individuals will have a symptoms, right? Number 1, all the females with the Turner syndrome, they will be sterile. Why they are sterile? Because they have rudimentary development of ovary. When we use a word rudimentary, that means imperfect development. And the third problem is lack of secondary sexual characteristics. So these are all very good example of chromosomal disorder. Looking at the number 1, that is Down syndrome, 21 trisomy. Number 2, Klinefelter syndrome. addition of one extra chromosome, and number 3, Turner syndrome, losing one X chromosome. Is that clear? Thank you.